Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the device. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and the screen is active. First, toggle the silent switch to hear immediate feedback and press a side volume button to see the on-screen indicator. Once done, swipe down or up to open Control Center depending on your model so you can access the volume slider quickly. These steps let you control sound and see visual feedback. They also prevent accidental mute while you adjust more precise settings. Next, refine volume using the Control Center slider. Drag slowly for precise levels rather than tapping buttons repeatedly. You can also open setting sounds and haptics to separately set ringer and alerts volume, which ensures notifications aren't too loud compared to media. While playing music or video, adjust the app's on-screen control so media output matches your preference. Make sure to test with headphones and speakers because output characteristics differ. Adjust both sources to get consistent perceived loudness. Finally, confirm the final output path. Open Bluetooth settings and ensure audio isn't routed to AirPods or speakers unless intended. If volume controls remain unresponsive, restart the iPhone and disable any connected audio devices. If needed, reset settings under General Reset. Make sure to visit Accessibility Audio/Visual to adjust left/right balance or enable mono audio when a single channel is too quiet. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip: test with different headphones to isolate hardware versus software issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.